Okay, back with part two of the Something in the Water pickups. As you can see, nothing changed. Same box and everything. This shoe, I don't know if this was the more popular of the selection. Cause I know the first day we went there, like all the employees and everybody had this color on. And of course, when I tried to get these that day, they were sold out of my size. But the next day we went, they had like a full size around these. So I guess they just read up every day, or it was like a certain amount of pairs they could sell each day, or they were just waiting on the shipment. I'm not sure. But once again, get the dust bags. I don't think I showed like the details in the last video. But yeah, the Adidas Trefoil logo on this side, and then you get Human Race on this side. And this pair is Hazard Orange. Okay. Hazard Orange. Yeah, these are kind of fire. I can't even lie. I didn't want them at first, like this colorway, but I'm just seeing them because it's a different shade of orange. It's not like your true orange, tangerine type joint. So I'm not mad at this purchase at all. Let's go ahead and get a close up. As you can see, the Hazard Orange Samba, pretty dope. Another shoe that's great for the summertime, man. Especially this shade. You get the three laces this time. I think somebody messed up here, but you get a replacement orange lace that's already in there, and then you get the more tan or brown. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with 3 sets of laces, but I guess I'll find out, right? Then the same thing is on the insole. You see that Samba on that Hazard Orange, and really nothing. Yeah, nothing different. You still get that Human Race right here, and then this one though, I think, like, I don't know if it's just me or it looks like the sole. Well, now in the camera, it doesn't look like there's any kind of like shade discrepancy. But I don't know, in hand, it looks like the sole is like more of like a gum brown. But yeah, like I said, in the camera, you can't really tell. So that's kind of dope. It looks like it's like a slight difference in shade. I don't know, maybe you can see it from back here. I guess not. Yeah, but shout out to Pharrell and Human Race for the pop up. It look pretty dope, man. Just something different. I think, especially if you are an artist that you have a shoe deal. I know Dreamville would have been cool if there was like a pop up for like the Dreamers, the Puma joints. I know a lot of people don't like Pumas, but if there was like an exclusive like Dreamville colorway or something you only can get there, it would have been dope. And yeah, I'm blurry again, but yeah. Let me go ahead and end this drink. I don't know what's going on, but y'all see the shoe, man. I think it's dope. Dope colorway. This looks crazy. But yeah, if y'all like what you see, definitely Google it. It's the Hazard Orange colorway. I will put the other colors that drop somewhere up here. But yeah, if you want them, I don't think there's any resale, so you should be able to get them for retail, maybe below the retail if you wait. But I got them early because they were there. Although I didn't get the video up until now, it's all good, man. Appreciate y'all for watching.